So boiling points of carboxylic acids are higher than those of similar alcohols. Carboxylic acids have higher boiling points than esters. Amides have higher boiling points than esters. Primary and secondary amides have higher boiling points than similar tertiary amides. There's a lot going on here. All right, so I'm just giving you a list of like very similar ones so we can talk about this. So butane, boiling point of -1 Celsius, lowest, easy. So here's propanol. All right, so you can see this has 4 carbons. This has 3 carbons and an oxygen. So 3 things that are not hydrogen, or excuse me, 4 things that are not hydrogen. Boils at 97 Celsius, pretty high. When we get to methyl formate, it's higher than the alkane for sure. But you could see that acetamide here and methyl formate, the acetamide boils at a much higher temperature. Once this is a primary amide, this is a secondary amide, you can see the boiling point goes down a little bit. Um, the important thing here is we still have to understand that alkanes have the lowest boiling points of them all. All right, so here's some common carboxylic acids. All right, formic acid, that's in ant stings. Acetic acid, that's in vinegar. Hexanoic acid, it's also called caproic acid, and capr is Latin for goat. So when you have that locker room smell, it pretty much translates to goat smell because goats don't smell great. And then alpha hydroxy acids. There's alpha. Okay. These are in anti-aging creams. The way that we talk about things is you have your acid group right there. See this? The carbons coming off of it, as you go down the chain, you start with your alpha carbon, the next one will be beta, so on and so forth. Well, alpha hydroxy means that we have our acid group, and then off this first carbon here, there's an OH group, sometimes referred to as a hydroxy group. So glycolic acid, your acid group with an OH, that's an alpha hydroxy acid. Lactic acid, if you've ever had sore muscles, that's what it is. All right. Here's some NSAIDs. All right. Now NSAIDs, you have this carboxylic acid group on there, as well as aspirin also has an ester group on there. It's part of the deal. Here's your carboxylic acid for ibuprofen and naproxen. NSAIDs are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. So aspirin prevents the synthesis of prostaglandins from arachidonic acid. Sorry about that. This is arachidonic acid right here. It's a pretty big, long, fatty chain. This was Nobel Prize winning work. Right, this was a big deal when we figured that out. But these are just some NSAIDs all have these carboxylic acids in them.